Hey there, knowledge seekers. Glowing Star, welcome back to the Summary Spot, your go-to channel for life-changing book insights. Today, we're diving into a truly inspirational masterpiece, The Last Lecture by Randy Pausch. Imagine knowing you have only a few months to live. What would you say to the world? What lessons would you leave behind? Well, this book is exactly that, a powerful collection of life lessons, heartfelt advice, and an unforgettable story of resilience, dreams, and legacy. Whether you're chasing your goals or simply looking for a fresh perspective on life, this book will move you, inspire you, and maybe even change the way you live. So, grab a notebook, because this summary is packed with gems you won't want to miss. Introduction: Achieving Childhood Dreams. Randy Pausch, a computer science professor, was invited to give a lecture as part of Carnegie Mellon's Last Lecture series. Knowing he had only months to live, Pausch used the opportunity to share his life lessons and legacy with the world, focusing on achieving dreams and overcoming obstacles. 1. Achieving Childhood Dreams. Pausch emphasizes the importance of dreaming big and working hard to make those dreams a reality. He reflects on his own childhood aspirations, such as becoming an astronaut, which he couldn't achieve but found satisfaction in related experiences. Working with Disney Imagineering, a dream he fulfilled by helping design virtual reality rides. He encourages readers to break barriers and find creative ways to achieve their goals. 2. The role of parents and mentors. Pausch credits his parents for fostering his imagination and independence. They allowed him to paint his bedroom walls with his creative ideas. He discusses the value of mentors and how their guidance helped him succeed. 3. Overcoming obstacles. Pausch views challenges as opportunities for growth, calling them brick walls meant to test determination. He stresses perseverance and resilience as keys to achieving success. 4. Enabling the dreams of others. Pausch shifts focus from personal achievements to helping others achieve their dreams. He recounts moments when he supported his students and colleagues in their endeavors. 5. Living a meaningful life. He advocates for living with integrity, humility, and gratitude. He emphasizes the importance of time management, celebrating relationships, and maintaining a positive outlook, even in the face of adversity. Notable lessons: the importance of people over things. Value relationships over material possessions. Be prepared for the unexpected. Always have a plan B. Have fun and laugh often. Life is short, so enjoy the journey. Apologize sincerely and forgive readily. Healing relationships is critical for happiness. Randy's legacy. Though the lecture was initially meant for his children, its universal themes resonated with millions around the world. Pausch's optimism, humor, and courage in the face of terminal illness serve as a reminder to cherish every moment and leave a positive impact. In our last video, we explored Lost and Founder by Rand Fishkin, a brutally honest take on the startup world. We learned about the challenges of entrepreneurship, the myths of startup success, and the importance of building a business with integrity. If you haven't checked it out yet, I highly recommend it. It's packed with valuable lessons for anyone navigating the unpredictable world of startups. You can find a link to that video right here. Today, we're diving into something a little different but equally inspiring: The Last Lecture by Randy Pausch. While Lost and Founder focused on startups and the business world, The Last Lecture takes us into the heart of life itself: dreams, legacy, and how to live with purpose. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or just someone looking for a dose of motivation, this story has something for everyone. So, let's jump right into the timeless lessons Randy left for us.